guys. Welcome back to A.O.Y. Everything.
We're wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever other holidays there are, and yeah.
We're probably going to be uploading this a bit after.
Later.
Probably actually at 2019, but we're actually recording this.
So Happy New Year's also.
Yeah, so today what we're going to be doing, well, if you guys don't know, I'm Foof.
I'm Kingo.
King A's not here because he kind of left before.
Yeah.
But what we're doing, we got a ton of luggages here. Well, actually only 2. So how we got them, at the airport, they have this thing where like if there's lost luggages and stuff and the guy doesn't take it and stuff, so you could go auction on it and bid on if you want to get it, and we got 2 of them. So yeah, we're gonna be opening them. And yeah, let's get started.
I think we're gonna start with the bigger one. Oh, it's not that heavy.
Yeah.
I mean,
This one's also not that heavy. Let's hope there's something good in there.
okay. This is so weird, like opening a luggage that's not ours. You know how that feels? It's like,
Oh, I saw something
I
green.
saw it. Yeah, me too. Okay, ready?
What the heck is in there?
Okay, so we got a Jordan 12. It's pretty comfy. Try to feel it.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty comfy. Okay. We have.
What the heck is that?
Let's save that for later.
Okay.
Okay, so we got just clothes, pants, more things. Oh, chat. Oh, that's pretty good.
Is that a hoodie? Yeah, I think it's a hoodie.
Yeah.
Champion hoodie.
Yeah, hoodie. Oh, Beats. I actually did not see that. Some Beats. Let's see that. Beats here.
Oh,
Pretty nice, yeah.
look fresh, but a little.
A little rusty kind of on the inside, but still good.
Hope it works.
Yeah, we'll test it out later. So, we're probably gonna like put the good things that we're probably gonna, I don't know yet. The good things we'll review after on the side. The extra things that we don't really need, just on the other side.
Yeah, nothing else here looks so good other than something.
This is a
open.
bit suspicious.
I don't know who this
Okay, just
guy or girl is.
a banana.
Oh, a plushy banana.
What is this? What is it?
Oh, it's a light. Okay.
It's pretty good. I'll put it in the middle.
I still don't understand. Okay, never mind.
Some more clothes. Okay.
I want to get to the good part.
Okay.
I don't understand how that was brought on in the plane.
Okay, this is a bit weird. How do you?
What is it? What does it do?
This is
Oh wait, there's a cable coming onto it. It's like some. I think it's a battery holder.
it says on and off, so maybe it's heavy.
Maybe that's something.
Yeah, feel how heavy this is. Oh my god. Okay, hold this. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's actually pretty heavy.
It's heavy.
It's a little scary. I wonder if it does it do something? Because there's batteries. Wait! It says press here.
Nothing happened.
Maybe the battery's off.
Battery.
Oh, it's on, I think. Okay, maybe it's just out of battery.
Okay.
Okay, I kind of want to put this here. You okay?
Yeah. So this is like what we're gonna review later.
Yeah.
And this is the
What is the light?
Okay, and next suitcase.
Oh my god! No way!
What is it? What the hell?
Oh
What is
my
it?
god!
Is that an Xbox? What? I mean, probably Christmas. What the hell?
Okay, let's start off with this.
What is that?
It looks like a cable, but it's kind of cut.
Okay. What game is this?
Overwatch. I bet you the disc's non-stop.
Okay. Oh, we'll take it.
This kind of makes sense because it's like Christmas time and stuff. So there's...
Yeah, Christmas present.
Okay, I'm leaving that there. Oh, the cable sucks.
I don't know what the key was.
Oh, there's a controller for the Xbox. I could tell this is already an Xbox One. Let's see. The heck? There's like a weird battery.
You're right.
Oh, I think this is one of those rechargeable batteries.
Pretty cool.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we're keeping this there on the side.
Yeah. I mean, obviously the Xbox. Wow.
it's really scratched up.
A bit dusty.
Maybe there's a game inside. Wait, where's the cables for it? I think this guy forgot it or something. Maybe the guy was, I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh, what are these?
iTunes. Okay. This is like a present bag.
iTunes gift cards in here. We're gonna probably give them away.
Yeah.
And okay, let's leave them on the side because that's $30 total.
Is that all? Wait, what?
What?
You didn't check.
Oh!
What the hell?
There's a zipper. What are those?
Holes.
What is that?
That's an iPad. That has to be an iPad.
No, it's not.
It has to be an iPad.
I'm taking this out. Okay, 1 second. We're gonna go back to that. Is that a GoPro? I think that's a
It's
GoPro.
not a GoPro.
Oh, it's like
Yum.
a fake GoPro.
Samsung phone. Who are you?
And
Another iPad.
they look the same.
Okay, yeah.
Let's check these out.
Okay,
Let's check out these
Yeah.
iPads. Okay, this, I don't even know if it turns on. Wait. I don't know where the power button is. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Maybe we could charge it or something.
Yeah.
There's the Xbox, which I have an Xbox.
Right there.
Yeah, I have an Xbox over there, and we're gonna plug it in, see, cause I already have all the cables and stuff. We're gonna plug it in and see if it works.
Okay.
So yeah,
Is that later?
and the iPads, which they look really clean, they're not scratched. I think they're the same model, just white and black, right?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, let's check them out.
Same camera, actually. Are they the same camera? Same camera?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's check out the iPads. Yeah. Oh, it turns on.
It's a cool background.
26%. So it's definitely been used.
But it's same day, so it's pretty accurate.
Yeah. Can we do camera? Okay, camera works. Whatever.
Do you know the way?
Kind of glitchy. Okay.
Wait. Maybe we could get in.
Oh.
Damn it, there's a password.
Ah, damn it.
Wait, I want to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait. The magic fingers.
Okay, yeah, let's just leave that to the side. Maybe we could reset it and actually just...
Yeah, complain to Apple. Oh.
What? What the heck
Who
is
is
that?
that? Is that a demon?
I think that's a demon. What's wrong with that person's eyes?
Okay,
I
no,
think this
actually-
might be the person that owned the iPad. But why would it be like all weird and demony and stuff?
What the hell?
It kind of reminds me... It kind of reminds me of something. Oh! You know that guy? The guy that makes the fake videos, the $1,000 stuff?
Oh,
What's his name? Morgs!
Morgs!
Morgs! That's
Oh
him!
my god!
Oh my god!
I just got my second win!
No way!
It's
This
him!
guy a Morg subscriber?
Maybe this is either his iPad,
No,
but
there's no way.
yeah, probably not.
A Morg subscriber.
Or maybe,
No way.
oh, it's probably like some guy that likes him. That's
would like
actually
him?
so weird.
Who
The
would like
punchable
him?
face guy. Let's check if there's a password.
Oh yeah. Damn it! What's people having passwords these days?
Yeah, like why would you ever put a password?
Whatever.
Okay, I think we could reset the iPad and change it.
Should I show them the Xbox? If it
Yeah,
actually
let's see
works?
if it works.
Okay.
I connected the controller to the Xbox and there was only one account, so I just signed into it. It had no password or anything.
Sloppy Roy.
But look at these.
A few games. There's like four, obviously.
Fortnite, Darwin Project Blitz, a game preview, Paladins, Roblox, Forza, and Overwatch. Not that good. But yeah, it works.
Yeah.
Okay, that's actually really cool.
We might give it away actually.
Yeah, and but I'm gonna maybe later we're gonna check out this guy's Fortnite account, see what he has. We're not gonna do anything to it. We're gonna sign out and all that. But still, yeah. So Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, yeah. And
Thanks for watching.
peace.